Hey, sorry to lose my voice. Hey, what's up there, TikTok and YouTube? This crazy working man. Sorry I showed my nerd sign. Sorry. So, yeah, I'm just chilling so far. Yep, just got most of my room clean. Took me about an hour. And also, it's gonna take me an hour to charge my camera. So, yeah, yeah. So far, you will see the videos I've done later this week or next week. So, yeah. It's fucking hot in here. God dang it. Sorry, God. Whew, it's hot. Got my floor cleaned, my trash picked up, a dead mouse picked up. Yeah, I hate mice that have been trapped underneath my chair and squished to death. But right now, I'm good right now, so. Yep. I had to clip something out of my fingernails, so. Right now, I got hiccups. Getting kind of hungry, yeah. And I didn't realize my phone was on top of my smaller dresser. It was on top, so. Yeah. But, anyways, I want to say thank you for subscribing and following me on TikTok as well. I appreciate you guys a lot, so. And some of you guys I follow on TikTok as well. Anyways, I love you guys. Oh, that's my dice tower kind of broken. Yeah. Anyways, I should start finishing up my laundry, so. Yeah, I got my room cleaned, got everything cleaned up, except for my glasses. It's like dirty. Yeah, I'm in my spring work attire right now. Spring, summer, whatever. And it's like really hot in here, so I'm wearing shorts and a tank top. But eventually I will um, get dressed and everything else, so. So, yay. So, this is my coffee related video too, as well, so yeah. As soon as I get up and make another video, I'm gonna make I don't know, a bed making video because I need this fluff underneath is like memory foam and it slides everywhere when you sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna try to straighten it out. But anyways, I love you guys. I'll speak with you again soon.